Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image you actually want as wallpaper and confirming its resolution matches your laptop display. This preserves sharpness. Once done, move the image into a dedicated folder and name it clearly so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to verify display scaling and orientation in system settings so the image won't be cropped or stretched. You'll save time by fixing these display parameters before applying changes, because resizing later can degrade image quality. You now apply the image via personalization or settings background and pick the appropriate fit option. Fill works for most, span for multi-monitor setups. Once applied, inspect icons and taskbar contrast. Adjust background blur or semi-transparent elements if items become unreadable. If colors look off, change the display color profile or disable aggressive night light temporarily so you can evaluate true colors. Make incremental changes, then test by opening typical apps. You finish by setting automation if desired. Enable slideshow in settings or use a lightweight app to rotate wallpapers on a schedule and choose transition behavior. Once done, confirm the folder remains accessible and the images aren't on a disconnected drive. If the wallpaper fails to update, check file permissions and path length and clear the personalization cache. Make sure your graphics driver is current because driver bugs can block proper rendering. If problems persist, restart Explorer or the laptop before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.